Alright guys, we've got the washing machine cleaner, formulated to deep clean. It cleans, deodorizes, refreshes, and protects. It says to drop 1 tablet into empty washer tub, run the normal cycle. After cycle is completed, use a towel to wipe any leftover residue. It comes with 20 tablets. We're going to open one up, and we are going to drop it in. And we're going to put it on a full cycle. And give it a go. And that's all you have to do. Now again, it says to do this once a month to keep your machine fresher and cleaner. Product is a special effervescent tablet that contains an active oxygen formulated that effectively removes accumulated dirt, residue, dust, and dirt from washing clothes, preventing future accumulation. All-in-one cleaning with effective oxygen surfactant formula, removes dirt and residue and eliminates odors. Give it a try.